Today editorial. We will start again work safely within 10 seconds. Start now. Opening up economic production from a lockdown, even partially, when the COVID 19 pandemic has not peaked in the country, poses an extraordinary challenge. Countries around the world are focusing on making the workplace safe and issuing guidelines to help workers return to their jobs. Reducing the number of people present at any given time is a universal principle either through resort to shifts or arrangements to enable employees to work from home. The Union Health Ministry has addressed the issue through a manual of preventive measures that covers all types of workplaces and depends heavily on behavioral change with some additional requirements for confined spaces such as offices. Fortunately, the first line of defense against the novel coronavirus is a set of simple measures that involves little expenditure, physical distances of at least 1 meter, mandatory use of face masks or cover, frequent hand washing with soap, respiratory etiquette, sanitizing, contact surface, and self monitoring of health. These requirements have by now become familiar to everyone, and employees need only be nudged into adopting them through persistent communication, free provisioning of masks and sanitizing materials, and organizing office space suitably. Physical distances of even 1 meter, if not the दो गज or 6 feet that Prime Minister Narendra Modi advocated does pose difficulties because of the lack of space catered and density of workers in many places. But employers should see the value of keeping staff attendance at safe levels even within the legally permitted ceiling, which now extended to 50% in specified sectors and even in some government offices. Failure to maintain distancing more so in a poorly ventilized closed environment gives the virus a free run. A Chennai's wholesale vegetable market showed starkly the center's protocol for symptomatic cases at the workplace requiring testing and where warranted quarantining of both the worker and close contacts and a 2-day closure of offices experiencing an outbreak should underscore to employers the importance of prevention. Full stop. Responsibility, however, does not devolve entirely on offices and establishments, and it is imperative for other activities such as public transport used by many workers to meet COVID 19 requirements. Some institutions are mandating installation of the Arogya Setu app by employees returning to work when the legal basis of this monitoring mechanism remains shaky and there are no assured benefits in terms of health care. At this stage of the pandemic, when a gradual resumption of economic activity in multiple sectors ranging from construction to food takeaways is necessary. The most feasible interventions at the workplace are voluntary and those that cost the at least. There may still the occasion to resort to intermittent lockdowns if opening up leads to mounting cases. A prudent course would be to navigate the present with a minimalistic approach as the quest for a medical breakthrough makes progress. Thank you.